let's talk about Paleodictyoptera. Paleodictyoptera are an extinct type of insects that lived during the late Carboniferous to the early Permian period. They're known for being rather primitive types of insects and are very, very useful in the evolution of flight and wings in insects. Now, these guys are also called the six-winged insects because they had the two regular pairs of wings up there that modern insects have, but they also had another set of smaller wings up there. These wings are called the prothoracic winglets, and they're found on the prothorax. Now, the prothorax is the first segment of the thorax of the insect body, and while all modern insects have a pair of legs on the prothorax, none of them have a pair of wings like these guys do. Now, while not all insects have wings, for example, silverfish and worker ants do not have wings, but all insects that do have wings have technically 2 pairs of wings, so 4 wings total. Sometimes these wings are not obvious, such as in beetles, where the first pair of wings are actually the elytra, or the kind of hard coverings that protect the flight wings, or in things like flies, where the second pair of wings have evolved to be kind of a weird little lobe for balance and stuff, and not true wings. But these ancient types of insects did have that third pair of wings on the prothorax. I couldn't really find any readily available information on the function of these prothoracic wings, but if I were to guess, it would be due to balance. This is quite early in the evolution of insect flight, so they might have needed extra balance to be able to actually navigate in the air, but that is just my guess. The Paleodictyoptera were also really, really big. For the time period, insects were on average a lot bigger, and these were some of the largest. They average with a wingspan between 20 and 50 centimeters, which in imperial is close to 20 inches wingspan, which is almost 2 feet, which is ridiculous. They also did have quite unique kind of piercing, sucking mouth parts, and while it is theorized that the majority of them use that to kind of suck the juices out of plants, some species may have been parasitic or even carnivorous and predatory. Now, while these guys were incredibly numerous during the Carboniferous period, they started to decline throughout the Permian and went extinct by the end of the Permian, likely due to the Permian extinction event, but they started going extinct quite a while before that event. And while today's climate could not support an insect of this size due to the lower oxygen content overall and colder temperatures, I am still not upset that these guys went extinct. Even though I like insects, a almost 2 foot across flying insect is a little bit much even for me.